A discipline's concepts are another of its defining elements. A concept is a symbol that represents a phenomenon or idea. A concept is conceptual. It's an abstraction of reality. In psychology, each term that is bolded in your textbooks is a concept. It's a word like personality that represents something in the real world. Because concepts are abstractions, they lack the clarity, the detail, the specifics of reality. They by nature are just a snapshot of the whole, a snapshot of reality. And there are millions and millions of concepts that scholars study. This can create some challenges in how reality is represented. For example, some concepts themselves are phenomena, while other concepts are the outcomes, the results, the consequences of phenomena. For example, the word culture represents phenomena, whereas the word oppression represents the outcome of phenomena. That phenomena being political decision-making.